How to fix maximum number of attempt reach to TikTok. If you are not able to log into your TikTok account, then this video is for you. To solve this issue, first of all, open any browser you have on your device. For now, I am launching Safari. Then on the searching bar, search for TikTok report a problem. Then you will see the first website. Simply tap on it. From here, select an option of General Account Inquiry. On the second option, select Login Issue. Here, write your email address, username, and on the additional details, simply describe them that you have maximum number of attempt reach TikTok issue and you want to solve it. And at last, hit on the upload or submit. Once you do that, TikTok team will help you out within the 24 hours. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.